Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to another free cheeseburger video. And today I thought we were going to talk about merch. We hit 50 subscribers, so I am starting to make merch. I just wanted to talk about how it works. So right now I'm making my own website, which will have facts about me, stuff, fun things you can do, and of course my merch, So I'm actually really excited about this because this is gonna be so cool. You guys have been requesting me, and also, guys, by the way, I just wanted to say my next video, which is a Roblox Adopt Me video, is pre-recorded. So is so was the my Minecraft Preston Hide and Seek. So my next video is not gonna I'm not gonna be talking about merch because I pre-recorded it like a week or two ago. Just so you wanted to know, just so you wanted to know, English #1. Um, just so, just so you know. um, so what I'm, so yeah, and this is like one of the first time I'm not actually filming it at night. So it's a really bright out. Oh, no, don't look at that. But yeah, I just wanted to like talk about how it's gonna work. So I'm thinking to start off. I'm gonna make. As I think I've said in a couple videos before, I'm really hoping to make limited edition Christmas merch or winter merch, basically, because I know not all of you guys celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Also, guys, I was thinking instead of saying you guys or girls, should I call you guys burgers? Like, hi guys. Like, for example, like this might be happened. So if you burgers, do you think burgers is good? Email me. Tell me if you like burgers, or if you want, or if you don't like burgers, what else should we call them? Like chezzies, meaties, something else. I will be up, and I will take the votes in and see what you guys want. I think I just think it's maybe. And if you don't want, if you just want to call it you guys, or just want to call you guys English number 2. But yeah, I'm really excited. And if you are wondering, I will be ordering merch and wearing. Wow, English is not good today. Um, I will be doing it. Also, I'm gonna plan to start editing my videos. You guys have been asking me to edit and make an intro for my videos, so I will be trying to do that soon. Um, so yeah, but yeah. If you're wondering about what I'm gonna start with, I'm hoping. Do you see that in the reflection? Yeah, it's the sunshine. But I'm hoping to start off with the mask, and then that'll be like a few weeks. That'll probably start at the beginning of November, and then at the end of November, I'm gonna make a sweatshirt. So yeah. I think it's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be, and the sweatshirt's gonna be limited edition. Oh well, hi. This is my brother Samuel. Hey. Sorry. Oh, so hey. This is my video. What are you doing?
You wanted me to
Yeah, but okay.
I'm gonna be your dummy for showing off merch. So I'm gonna probably be one of the first people to buy maybe some limited edition. I'm gonna show it off in her
Okay, yeah.
video she has.
Obviously, but oh no, what are you doing?
Sorry.
You're gonna hit the fan. Okay. Well, so yeah, we'll be showing off merch in my videos when it actually comes out. But
Also, Bree, I fixed Minecraft, so now you can see your
okay,
hotbar
yes.
and
So we fixed Minecraft. Some of you were asking me what was wrong. I said it in the other video, but it just wasn't wrong. And also,
peace.
and also, guys, if we get 5 likes, we'll do more videos with Samuel. And if we get 3 likes. 5 likes, I'll do it with my little brother Sebastian, who has only been in the fleshy flea of this. Why? The facility video. But okay, I think I have been So yeah, merch is gonna be really cool, and I'll continue adding a new one every 2 weeks or so. But now I have a surprise. For you, it'll be 1 second, but for me, it'll take 2 seconds to set up. So see ya in a second. Okay, hi. So I'm back. That actually took me like 5 minutes. And if I pause the video, I'll tell you when I come back, just because something might happen. But I actually bought a humongous glue. It's a gallon. Let's pour some. I don't need that much slime. A little more is fine. No, that's good. That's good. Okay. And now we add the water. Actually, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. I need to go get some warm water. See you in like a second. Okay, I'm back, and we need a spoon. I need to grab a spoon. Well, it's gonna be. Okay, so we're gonna add just a little bit of water to my slime. Just a little bit. If your slime, this is a tip. A tip. If you have been making slime and your slime turns out too rough and it pulls apart, there's either two explanations. One, you added too much activator to your slime and it just rips, or it's that your glue is too thick. So I'm adding water and I'm just adding it very slow at a time. Also, guys, make sure it's warm water. Cold water won't really help. We're mixing. And now, guys, I'm time to reveal the color. I'm gonna do orange. I don't actually have an orange dye. So we're gonna add 2 drops of yellow to 1 drop of red, because that's how you make orange. This is obviously not going to be enough. Oh my god, it's already making too pinkish. Lots of yellow. Cause if you is it making orange? No. Yeah, I'd say it's making orange. It's more of like a peach though. I don't know if you can tell. So I think we need more red. Just time to fix it up. Just a drop of red. Oh my god, I had so much red. But guys, I'm going to continue mixing and adding the activator, which is not super interesting, and I'll come back when it's ready. Also, guys, by the way, I haven't finished yet, but you can actually I'm using magical liquid to activate it, and scented magical liquid, cherry limeade, but you can use laundry detergent or contact solution and baking soda if you don't have magical liquid. Or you can use borax. Okay, guys. Well, I finished making my slime, and it's really, really cool. It's really nice, and I'm gonna move this out of the way. And here is some time for some slime and some. And the slime is really nice they're really clicky and really glossy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really fun to play with. And thank you guys so much for watching my merch slime video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thank you. Bye.